Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Yes, I'm happy. Today is Friday. Yes. It's a rainy Friday and it's cold. Oh my goodness. I think it's like maybe 50 degrees. It's cold. It's cold today. Cold and rain. Thank y'all for watching my Vlogtober videos. Don't forget to watch some of my other videos. Click on the end clips as well as the icon at the top of the video just to check out some of my other stuff, you know. Also, subscribe. Thumbs up, comments at the bottom. Okay, today I have early release, so I need to figure out what's for lunch. Okay, I kind of want to try the Beyond Burger. No, it's not called Beyond Burger. The Impossible Burger at Burger King. I kind of want to try that. I kind of want to try the macaroni and cheese at Chick-fil-A. So, and I have to go to Best Buy. You know, like I don't know if I even told y'all. Best Buy have a daily deal every single day. And sometimes they have things that I want and sometimes they don't. I don't even know if I even said this in the other vlogs. But I ordered some knives. So I need to go pick those up. They were actually ready to be picked up yesterday. But I'm getting ready to pick that up. So yeah, we're going camping tomorrow. Damon, the baby. He is so excited about going camping. He cannot wait. He's been talking about it ever since we told him we were going. So I don't want to back out of it, even though I really don't want to be in all that mud. I don't, you know, he really want to go so bad. So I guess we're gonna have to go and we're gonna have to deal with the mud. I got a feeling it's gonna be horrible. It's gonna be an adventure. But that's part of it. And then, like I said, we're only going for one night, so we'll tough it out. So let me get on down here to Best Buy, Chick-fil-A, and Burger King. Okay, y'all. I went to Best Buy. This the knife set I was talking about. This was one of Best Buy daily deals for like $20. Plus I had a $5 reward thing. So I only paid like $16 for this. Then I seen they had this. I really need this. This is gonna be for my my cameras. So I decided to get this. Then I stopped at Chick-fil-A and Burger King. So, and they took forever. I know I'm screaming, I'm sorry, because I had this in my ear. So yeah, they took forever. Let's get to the mac and cheese. It looks super creamy. Let me show y'all. Get a little close so y'all can see. Oh shit, it's finna fall out. Let me open up my fork. Now at Chick-fil-A, this was the only thing I got, was the macaroni and cheese, and they took forever. Now we all know Chick-fil-A normally don't take long, but today took extra long. So let me try it. It has like the little cheddar cheese on top, if you can see that. It almost make you think that it was baked, even though we know it wasn't. They probably just cutting open a bag and putting it in the containers. So let me try. Looks super creamy. It's still kind of warm. Most definitely tastes sharp cheddar cheese. It ain't like soul food, southern style, oven baked macaroni and cheese. It's most definitely not like that. And it's not like box mac and cheese. To me, this tastes more like almost like Velveeta shells and cheese. That's how this come across. To me, it has a lot of good flavor in it, but it's almost like it's missing something. It's just okay for me. I don't think I'll buy it again. Okay, let's get into this burger. This is the Impossible Burger. Damn, my camera messed up, y'all. Sorry. This is the Impossible Burger with cheese. Now, I don't know if people eating it with cheese or without cheese, but I decided to get with cheese. Now, let's see what's all on this burger. Ugh. I don't really care for mayo, and I hope this mayo don't make me sick. Ugh. Onions, no! We gotta take them onions off. Let me take this out the bag. Okay, this is what it looks like, y'all. Remove that top and show y'all what it looked like. As you see, the lettuce, tomatoes, onion, pickle, cheese, and then the patty. Okay, let's remove the onions. Wait a minute, I want to take a picture real quick. I had to do that for my Facebook page, y'all. Sorry. Here we go. Before I take a bite, Lord, please don't allow this sandwich to mess my stomach up. I gotta make it through this route, and I can't be riding this route stomach in knots. Please guide me and protect me over this. Here we go. It's a little cold. I kind of feel like with this, it's so much other stuff. They ain't even, oh yeah. With this, it's so much other stuff on it. You can't even really taste the burger. Let me just pull out a piece of the burger. This is what the burger actually looked like. Well, it actually kind of tastes like meat. Maybe they gave me the wrong burger. This tastes like straight up meat. Wow. Wow. This tastes like meat, y'all. Now, I've been eating those veggie patties by Morningstar. They are super good. This don't taste like that. This tastes like straight up meat. Wow. They probably made a mistake. Let me see. It looked like it's right on the receipt. As you see, I don't know if this is gonna show or not. So it is. This tastes like regular meat. Wow. I'm surprised, y'all. For real. I'm shocked. I am totally shocked. I did not expect. Excuse me. And I'm not even a Burger King fan. I'm sorry, my mouth is full. I'm talking. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. Wow. Wow. I did not expect this burger to taste like burger. I expected it to taste like seasoned vegetables, almost like those Morningstar burgers. This tastes like a for real Whopper. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all, but I had like a for real Whopper, y'all. I just wish it was a little bit hotter. That's the only thing. It's on the warm side. But I'm surprised. I did not expect this burger to be good like this. But it tastes like a regular Whopper. I give it a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. I will buy this again. I will buy it again. Also, yeah, that Beyond Burger is super, super good. Have y'all tried the Beyond Burger at Burger King? That's if you have a Burger King in your area. Have y'all tried it? Leave that in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Do you think it tastes like meat, or can you tell the difference? Me, I can't tell the difference. All I know is it's good. And I'm not sure if it tastes like a Whopper because of all the stuff that they put on, you know, like the mayo, the pickles, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, all that stuff. Did that make it taste like it, or what? I mean, I don't know, but it tastes like a Whopper to me. Leave it in the bottom, y'all. Have y'all tried this Impossible Burger at Burger King? And I know it's been out for like months and months, but this was my first time trying it, and I like it. It's pretty good, but I think it's on the high side though. It's a little pricey. Can't remember how much I spent on it, and I don't even have the receipt. I don't have the receipt. I can't remember, but I did show the little thing, so I'll probably post how much it actually was. But yeah, yeah. Do you like it? Leave it in the bottom. Let me know if you tried it yet. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom, y'all. And check out some of my other videos. Click those end clips, or click on the icon at the top. This side or that side. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.